Okay, so this here is a relatively simple automatic pumpkin melon farm design. This is only a prototype and is definitely not the most compact way to do it, but it works nonetheless. Since pumpkins and melons aren't destructible by water, I had to use pistons to harvest them in dispensers with water buckets to collect all the drops in a chest. For some reason, pumpkins and melons require dirt or grass to grow, so I had to put dirt next to the stems and sticky pistons underneath. The sides here must be solid, or water will spill over and destroy the plants in the redstone, and they must be transparent or the pumpkin and melon stems will not grow. I chose glass because it was the first thing I thought of. Bone meal cannot force the pumpkins and melons to produce fruit, so I had to sit here the whole time and watch them grow. You should seriously appreciate what I go through to make these videos for you. Now I'll show you what the thing looks like before explaining the redstone stuff behind it. See, it works. Anyway, this contraption is heavily based on repeaters. There's a delay of... oh, whatever, I messed up. There's supposed to be only one fully extended repeater between the activation of the pistons and the activation of the dispensers. And then there's 16 fully extended repeaters between the activation of the dispensers and the reactivation of the dispensers. In case you didn't know, if a dispenser has an empty bucket in it, then activating it causes it to pick up the water. And then there's 5 fully extended repeaters between the reactivation of the dispensers and the deactivation of the pistons. When two paths lead up to the same thing, like in these dispensers, it's important to put repeaters here leading to them because they will force the redstone current to go in only one way. And if you forget that, you might have something that looks kind of like this. See, the repeaters just power each other. If the machine were automatic, it would be impossible to turn off. Next, the contraption used to switch the pistons between on and off is called a toggle. For some reason, if the redstone block is attached to a piston, running a redstone signal into this stone block right here causes the redstone block to move forward, and then if the redstone block is already forward like that, then activating it causes it to move backward. Okay, so allow me to demonstrate. See? It moved forward, and then if you press the button again, it moves back. Because of this, it is important not to push the button while the machine is in motion. If you screw up, the dirt in the middle will go down and water will spill over the sides. Of course, if you wanted to make it even more automatic, you could attach it to one of these cobweb clocks. Remember that an item can fall through 12 cobwebs before despawning. This particular design will send out a pulse roughly every 10 minutes. Anyway, I hope this video helped.